Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Arduino $0 Starter Pack. In this video, I will show you how to create a project using gas sensor to turn on a buzzer. Okay, let's get started to the video. First, we should get our Arduino first. We use this one. Okay, and then we get some gas sensor. This one. After that, we get some buzzer. Buzzer in here is named Pierzo. This one. Okay. And then we have all the component we need. Also we want to use one resistor here. Okay. Uh, and then we can check for the gas sensor code in the internet. Gas sensor Arduino. After that, we can choose the first one. Okay, this is the code. We can use this one. We select copy this code and then replace it to the default code of this Tinkercad. Okay, now we can connect the gas sensor with the Arduino. So first, the A1 is connect to the resistor and then connect into the ground one. Okay, wait, resistor. Okay, after that, the H1 is connect to the ground without using any resistor. And then the A2 one is connect into the A01. Okay. And then all the B1, H2 and B2 connect to the 5 volt. Okay, like this, and then we can make some changes in the program. We don't use the LED, red LED one, and then we don't use the green LED, so we delete it. And then we don't use this variable because we want directly enter the value that we want in the program. After that, pin mode and LED, red LED out for output and then green LED for output. We don't use that because at the declaration above, we don't use that variable. After that, we also didn't use this one. We changed it to buzzer. And then we can delete this one. And then the green LED one. And then the red LED, this is also changed into buzzer. And then the buzzer program and then the green LED program, we can also delete it. The buzzer can also, the buzzer is work the same way as LED or a motor in the program. We just write digital write buzzer or motor or LED set to high or low. Okay, and then we can check and then we put the value that we want, 400, but we should check first the but we should check first the value of the sensor. Okay. Okay, I forgot to switch it into the A01. Okay. Okay. We put into the maximum value. Okay, the maximum value is around 327, so we put into 200 is enough. Okay, the code is now finished. Then we can connect the buzzer into the Arduino. The buzzer we put into the pin number 10. In the positive flex 1, and then in the negative we put it into the ground. Okay, now we can check our simulation. Start our simulation. Okay, now the value of the gas sensor is 327, and then I will put the smoke away from the gas sensor, so the buzzer will be stop ringing. And then if I put it closer, the buzzer will be ring again. Okay, I think that's all about this project. I hope you guys understand about this project. If you have any problem with your project, you can comment down below. I'll help you at the next video. Thank you.